Hi, I'm Chuck Kocher. You've signed up for a virtual workshop called Scaling Forward for July the 1st. We look forward to having you. In the email attached, we've sent several documents to you. Some of them are to familiarize you with the scaling up methodology, the 4 decisions: people, strategy, execution, and cash. The one-page strategic plan, which we'll use throughout the workshop, and also something called the SWOT plus 3 that we'd like you to complete before you come to the workshop. I'm really looking forward to having you in the workshop, and as part of our introduction, we will be scheduling a brief introductory call with you prior to the workshop to get to know you, your business, and what you're hoping for to get out of the workshop. So again, welcome to our workshop. I can't wait to meet you and to help you scale forward in 2020.